Introducing Rasor's new FP-CROSS 2024. A powerful pneumatic cutting unit, designed to cut a wide range of flexible materials up to a maximum thickness of 20 mm. The horizontally placed motor makes the FP-CROSS ideal for installations in confined spaces. Designed with the highest safety standards, the FP-CROSS offers power and ergonomic design and is user-friendly. The FP-CROSS is the first pneumatic Rasor O.E.M unit with a 70 mm blade. The outstanding turbine achieves 400 Watt at 22,000 RPM. It can be used for cutting in stripes and edges, as well as cross-cutting. Featuring an easy-to-reach air connection and a finger protection, the FP-CROSS meets the highest safety standards. Its semi-automatic sharpening system allows for blade reconditioning in less than 10 seconds, without the need for blade disassembly. The high torque and optimized blade speed allows cutting of rubberized materials, carpet and light flooring materials. The FP-CROSS is also very suitable to cut technical textiles, leather, as well as fiberglass, carbon and hybrid materials in single and multiple layers. It is perfect for numerous cutting applications, where flexibility, power and ease of use are crucial. High-quality HSS steel blades, available in a wide variety of shapes, including a carbide kit option, make the FP-CROSS a universal, multi-purpose O.E.M cutting unit. The FP-CROSS is delivered with one extra blade and essential accessories. A CE declaration is included, together with a QR code for convenient technical documentation download. 3D model files are available on request. For safety reasons, the use of a steel protection glove is mandatory. Contact us for further information. Experience the future of cutting technology with Rasor.